few months this has been sitting in my living room, so I think it's time to open it up and take a look. This is the cutest little exhaust system I've ever seen. Look at that muffler. Look at that little muffler. It's so cute. Pulled out the old exhaust. It appears that it's actually an aftermarket. So that's interesting. Clearly this is going to be way more muffled than that. So I'm super excited for this guy. But this was super easy to pull out.